Nowadays, students prefer to go out of India to study. They are going to Australia, they are going to Canada, they are going to UK, they are going to USA, they are going to any country of Europe. Why is it so? Maybe they feel that they get a better education there. They feel there is more job opportunities. They feel the living standard is good. Either of the reason, few or all of the reasons force them to migrate to different locations. Is it really good for the country? Or is it adversely affecting the country? It can be both ways. It is good in the sense that going abroad means having more knowledge and more skills, which they can bring back to their country and can use it to innovate, to enhance productivity, or to have more professionalism in their approach. It is bad for the country if a large number of people are moving out. Then it may affect the country's development. So one has to see to what extent migration allows human capital formation in the country. This aspect we need to study slightly in more details. So let us begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Midyupt Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight of the offered courses on our website that will enable you to prepare well and score well in your CBSE and CUET examination. Before we jump onto the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not lose out on any of our free, valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now, let's get started. People migrate from rural to urban areas in search of jobs. Technically qualified people migrate from one country to another country for higher salaries. It involves 2 costs. 1, cost of transportation from one to another place, and 2, higher cost of living in the migrated place. Expenditure on migration is a source of human capital formation as enhanced earning in the migrated place is greater than the cost involved in migration. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just Rs 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.